everyone, I'm Stella. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the writing section of the LanguageCert Academic exam. Don't worry, it's not as scary as it looks. We'll go through it step by step, and you'll see that scoring well is totally achievable. The reading section has 5 parts in total. You have no separate timer for each question or for the whole reading module. You'll have 1 hour, 40 minutes to complete both reading and writing together. We recommend finishing reading in about 50 minutes. And here is some good news. You can do the sections in any order. If you feel confident with one part, start there. At the end, remember to click next to submit both reading and writing together. Let's start with Part 1A. There are 6 questions, and each sentence is about 20 to 30 words long. You'll see one highlighted word in the sentence, and you need to choose the best replacement from 4 options. There are 2 things that matter most here: the meaning of the word in context and its part of speech. Don't just pick a synonym that looks similar. If the grammar doesn't work or it feels unnatural in the sentence, it's the wrong choice. Here is a sample. Pause the video and give it a try. Got it? The correct answer is C. Did you get it right? In Part 1B, you'll read a short passage of about 180 words with 5 blanks. Each blank has 3 options. The key here is context and collocations. Don't just stare at one blank, read the whole paragraph, and think about the logical flow. If you know your fixed expressions well, the answer often jumps right out. Let's check a sample. Pause the video to finish it. Now, let's check the answers. Did you get it correct? Now for Part 2, you'll get a longer passage of around 450-500 words, but 6 sentences have been removed. At the same time, you're given 8 sentence options. Your task is to put the 6 correct ones back in place. Here are 2 big tips. First, watch for repeated keywords or ideas. If the passage and the option share the same reference, it's probably a match. Second, remember, there are always 2 distractors. If a sentence talks about something that never shows up in the passage, eliminate it right away. Here is a sample. Pause the video and try it out. Finished? Let's check the answer. In Part 3, you'll read 4 short passages, each with 140 to 170 words, all on the same topic. Then you'll answer 7 questions by matching them to the right passage. Here is the trick. First, skim each passage and figure out its main point. Then look at the questions. Grab the keywords. Go back to the right passage to confirm. This is especially important for detailed questions. Otherwise, it's easy to miss something. Here is a sample. Pause and give it a try. Now, let's go through the answers together. Finally, Part 4, the big one. You'll read a 650 to 750 word academic passage and answer 6 multiple choice questions, each with 4 options each. Here is a step-by-step method that works really well. 1. Read the question first. Underline the keywords. 2. Use those keywords to find the right spot in the passage. 3. Compare each option with the original sentence. 4. Eliminate the distractors. 5. Choose the option that's the closest in meaning to the text. Here is a sample passage. Pause the video and try it out. Let's check the answer. Before we wrap up, one last reminder. If you have time left, review your answers. Double check that your choice matches the question and the passage. Sometimes you'll catch a small detail you missed the first time, and that can save you a few extra points. And that's the complete breakdown of the reading section in LanguageCert Academic. In the next video, we'll cover practical strategies to boost your accuracy and speed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.